Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am here to plan out next week, which is Monday, January 28th through Sunday, February 3rd. Sometimes these transition weeks can be a little bit difficult, especially if the colors don't really go together or depending on some of the old Erin Condren patterns have been a lot more in your face, let's call it, like when they had the watercolor that was behind it. Oh, that was awful. Luckily, these colors aren't too in your face, but I decided in the spirit of trying to use up some of my stickers as we discussed during my sticker organization series that I did, I'm going to do a monochrome week where I'm going to do all teal for the last part of January and then all pink for the first part of February. So I did make some of my own stickers. I made workout stickers and then remembered that I have a bunch that I've made in these colors, but oh well. And then I made my habit tracker in teal, and then I made some checklists in teal and then in pink as well. So I grabbed some teal washi and then some pink washi. I'm going to do one Simply Gilded, like small, skinny, I forget what the millimeter is, and then one normal thick washi. These are the same, right? Yeah, okay. So I think that will look pretty consistent. So let's go ahead, let's do the bottom first. Before I go in with the washi though, I am going to white out the lines. I think both the pink and the teal one are gonna be a little bit see-through. Let me grab my white out. And I feel like I've mentioned this before, this is definitely an unnecessary extra step, but one that I like to take. I think it just makes the washi look cleaner, and you can't tell that there's the white out behind the washi. The only downside to whiting out before you put washi down is you can't really like lift the washi back up and move it around, because if you try and lift the washi back up and move it around, you're going to take the white out with it, which is just going to mess up your white out, and then you're going to have to do it again. So that's the only downside. Once you put the white out down, you've got to be really careful where you're sticking that washi afterwards. But you can see behind these thicker pieces of washi how nice it looks not to have those, dotted lines sticking through. Do you remember the days when there was the words on the bottom of the Erin Condren in this section? I don't even remember what they said now. It was such a long time ago, but the first row used to be like a bunch of words. And that, I think, was sort of what started people covering it up with washi, because they didn't want to be able to see those words. And then it sort of became more of a decorative thing rather than a functional thing, but it definitely started, I feel like, as a... Okay, now let's go ahead and do the sidebar. So I have my habit tracker that I make myself. I added a couple of new habits this week. Some of them are the daily habits that I'm going to be doing in my power sheets for February. I talked about that in a recent video, and so I went ahead and added it to this habit tracker since half the week is February. And then at the top, I'm going to use one of these Chrissy & Design stickers. I talked about this in the sticker collection video as well, about how I bought all of these because I used to always put them up here, and then I would put weekly tasks. They didn't have a home yet on a specific day, so they just lived here, and I think I'm gonna try and incorporate that a little bit more. I thought that would be good instead of just using a full box teal quote sticker. All right, let's keep with the easy stuff and move into the checklists. Sometimes I will put the checklist up on top of that first header section to cover it up, because I'm not, the kit that I'm using isn't really that color, or I just, I don't want to. But since I am really incorporating teal and pink into my week, I'm going to leave the headers uncovered when I put these checklists down and actually put them in the box space. Although sometimes the other reason that I will cover up that header section is it just allows for more white space in the planner, because then there's a strip of white instead of a strip of color. And visually that can be more appealing sometimes. All right, I'm going to do one thing different that I haven't normally done. I feel like I've done it a couple of times in a plan with me, but I'm going to add in the weather. And that is because I just feel like the weather has been so crazy lately, and it really sometimes will impact what my plans are going to be. Well, and it'll definitely impact what I'm going to wear. So I'm going to go and put these weather stickers. I'm only doing Monday through Wednesday because it's Sunday and I feel comfortable. I don't trust the weather people for the rest of the week. It definitely will change. Okay, now let's go in with the workout stickers. I am going to cover up the headers with these just from a visual standpoint. I like having these right next to each other, not necessarily because I want to cover up that teal. This is just going to be a pretty typical week. I don't have any lunches, so I'm going to do my lunchtime workouts every day this week at the office, pending that there are no impromptu things that pop up or any of those classes get canceled. Hopefully they won't. And then I won't have to actually work out on the weekend. I say have to. What I've been trying to do is work out 5 days a week. And if I can get them in Monday through Friday during lunch, then that's great. But if I can't because I have a lunch or they cancel a class or whatever, and then I've been doing one on Saturday or Sunday. Okay, now let's do some quote stickers while I'm at work. I've talked about this when I was talking about kits and how I didn't think I was gonna buy kits that have I was trying to tell a story while I was doing that, but a lot of these teal ones are not sort of the same teal I'm doing here. Wow. I have a couple different teals going on, right? These are all kind of darker teals, and then this down here is sort of lighter teal. But all these teal design pandemonium stickers, none of them are jumping out at me. Let me go grab my other quote binder. Okay. Let's see what we've got in here as far as half box, teal half boxes go. Yeah, we have very few options here too. I'm gonna use one of this, throw kindness around like confetti. Okay, and then maybe I'll do this one since it's kind of close. No, it's not quite as bright. How about this one? That's really blue. This teal, I realize, is just a very different teal from this, but so I'm trying to see if I could pull this one in. Maybe this Good Morning Sunshine. Not really, but oh well. So let's do the Good Morning Sunshine to kick off Monday. And then let's do this kindness one here. I'm actually going to do a full box one on Wednesday. I know I literally just talked about how I'm going to try and avoid weekly kits that have full boxes instead of half boxes because I would prefer half boxes. But when I get to Wednesday night's plans, I'll explain. I don't really love how there's two different teals here. We've got this more blue teal here and then sort of a more green teal here. But you know what? I'm not going to change the washi just because I don't like the shade of the teal. Like I'm doing a teal monochrome. This is going to have to do. And then Thursday, same thing. I want a full box one. What about this one? This one really does match the stuff down here, but looks really silly with all of those. Versus this one matches this, but doesn't really match this. But so we're going to do that. I don't know. I don't really know what I'm doing here, y'all. I don't know how I feel about it. Okay, and then Friday I want a full box. No, a half box pink one. So let's see what our options are here. Let's do this one. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to use these stickers from Chrissy and Designs to mark two dance classes I'm going to take this week. This one on Monday is actually at my office. It's like Zumba almost. It's not very intense. And then this one I'm going to go actually take a dance class on Thursday night, which was one of my action items for January, my power sheet. There I am, squeezing it in on the last day of the month. Go me. Now the rest of the plans. So I have my handy dandy blank shape sticker binder. So we've got all the teal half boxes I could possibly need. Oh, I like this one. I want to use that for something for sure. And then let's see, I'll probably use this one for something. I'll come back for you full boxes. Okay, and then I think I might use this one, although that's really green compared to the rest of it. Okay, let's go with this one. Okay, so Monday I'm gonna edit, so I'm gonna use this cute stripey one. On Tuesday, Sam and I are actually going to watch Rent because we are not watching it tonight. It doesn't start till 8 here, and to be honest, like on a Sunday night, I don't want to start watching something at 8 and have it end at 11 and just go to bed that late, especially when I'm going to do it the next Sunday for the Super Bowl. I'm not doing it again this Sunday. So we decided that we would have a date night on Tuesday and watch it together then. So we rescheduled that. And then before that, I have a couple errands to run. I only have 2, so I'm going to cover up this checkbox and write like to go here, and then just put the 2 places here. And then laundry I'm going to do while we watch Rent, so I'm going to put that in like the to-do section. Wednesday, I am just going to edit. So I guess I need another half box here. Back binder. One more teal half box. I feel like my teal half box selection is minimal. We can do this one. I'm going to edit on Wednesday night. Okay, Friday, I am going to film a bunch of stuff Friday when I get home from work. Normally I would just kind of push it and wait till Saturday, but I just kind of want to get them done so that I can work on editing them on Saturday and Sunday. So I'm going to move this down, I think. Yeah, I just like having that white space there. So that's going to be Friday. I don't know if I'm quite ready to plan Saturday and Sunday. I will put a sticker down for the Super Bowl on Sunday night. I know on the weekend I need to work on my presentation for the Chicago Planner Conference. It's coming along. I just have some things I need to finish for it. But other than that, I don't have a ton. Well, I have things I need to do, but I haven't quite nailed down when they're going to happen between the 2 days and what part of the 2 days. So I think I'm just going to leave that for now. And since I'm going to be filming Friday night, I will, when I film, so sometimes when I film a weekly plan with me, I'll go back and finish the week before. I don't need to do that this week because I already planned the weekend of this current week or last week. But for this week, when I do next week's on Friday, I hope this is not the most confusing thing in the world, I will go ahead and plan the weekend. So I'm going to leave this for now. And that's that. The teals are a little bit different kind of over here, but I still like how the way it looks. And then once this is all filled in with pink, I think it'll be super cute. Okay, let's go in with my little Coffee Monster Co. YouTube guys. So what did I say? This night, I'm going to edit Wednesday's video. Tuesday, these are not YouTube things. Wednesday is more editing. I'm going to edit 2 things. Thursday, nothing. And then Friday is filming. This little film dude. Okay. That's it for these guys. And then we need a like grocery store sticker. Or not a grocery store sticker, like an Erin sticker. Kind of like a... I'm running multiple errands, maybe like a car sticker. And I am going to the grocery store, but that's not the only place I'm going. Maybe I'll just do this grocery sticker. Yeah, that's fine. Then this is a date night, but I don't know how much space I really have, so let me see what my date night sticker options are here. Maybe I'll use one of these cute ones from Oh So Pretty Planner and put it like clearly I can't make up my mind on where I want to put this sticker. Okay, I don't love it. Okay, so I went hunting for a date night sticker, but the truth is I don't think I have one that's gonna fit, right? So I'm gonna use this little heart sticker from Chrissy Designs and just put that here, and then I will write that it's a date night. And okay, I think that's it in terms of like extra decorative type stickers. Okay, and now it is time to go in with the pen. I'm gonna go in with my favorite permanent pen, which is the Micro Perm 07, and that is because a lot of these are from Chrissy Designs and Design Pandemonium, both of which have like vinyl type stickers that require a permanent pen. Also, normally Plan With Me's go up on Wednesdays. That's normally our Plan With Me Wednesday, but because of a special collaboration that I am doing on Wednesday, this video is going up on Mondays. I'm super honored to have been able to collab with this person, and I mean, if it's after Wednesday of the Plan With Me week, you will have already seen the collab. But if you're watching this on one of the first days that the video came out, Monday or Tuesday, it has not come out yet. Okay, that is it. I don't know why I didn't fill in this workout sticker, but I did all the other ones. That was very strange. Normally I don't love writing on these kind of matte stickers with the permanent pen, but I just had it in my hand, so I thought I would go ahead and do it. Try and save myself a little bit of time during the week. And I misspelled the word laundry and had to like squeeze that in, but oh well. That is what happens. Oh, we need to actually do the weather, but I can't use a permanent pen for that. That's not gonna happen. So I'm just gonna put the low and then the high. I'm looking back at my computer. Oh, it's supposed to rain a lot on Tuesday. Although I got new rain boots for Christmas. I know Christmas was a long time ago, but sometimes I like when it rains because then I get to wear them. 3 degrees on Wednesday. Holy moly. Burr. It's going to be cold. I'm not going to lie. I kind of wish it was going to be cold this day because we haven't really had snow. We had snow like one day back in like November, like right before Thanksgiving. And that's it. We haven't really gotten snow in New York. And I'm ready for it. I kind of want snow. I know I'm going to be biting my tongue when we get some giant snowstorm. All right, that is it. That is my sort of monochrome trying to shop my stash week. I really like the way this turned out. I think it's really cute. Let me know in the comments if there are any other challenges or sort of different types of plan with me's that you would like to see. I know when I did the sticker collection videos, a lot of people asked to see a sampler only plan with me or a shop my stash plan with me, which is kind of what I did. I'm always gonna have to make the sidebar. That I probably will never like, because the habits change so often. Although I do have those Erin Condren ones, they just don't have enough habits for me, to be honest. So let me know in the comments, are there any other challenges that you would like to see besides me using just my normal weekly kits? I actually got a couple really cute kits this past weekend at the New York City Planner Addicts event that I was at, so I'm excited to incorporate those. Actually, one of the things I need to get done over the weekend, next weekend, is not reorganizing my kits because I like my organization system, which I mentioned in that other video, but I just need to evaluate and put them on the different weeks because I have a lot. So let me know in the comments if there's anything like that you want to see. I would love any suggestions that you have. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you so much for watching. Happy planning. And sometimes these transition weeks, and then I made my habit tracker. I cannot talk today. Why can't I figure out what I'm trying to say?